Hey kiddos, you're going to be doing some multiplying today, and I want to just show you a few things. So if I had the problem 1 times 13 equals what? Well, even though it's a 2-digit number, you should remember your ones thing. So anything times 1 is the other number. So 1 times 13 is going to equal 13. Okay? Then, if I want to know 2 times 13, I could work it out, like 13 times 2, well, that's 6, that's 2, it's 26. Or, I could kind of think in my head that, oh, I know that I have to do 13 plus 13. And I know that 2 3s is a 6, and 2 10s, so 26, okay? Now, what if I make a big jump? What if I say 10 times 13 equals what number? Well, I already know what 1 times 13 is, so this time it's 10 times 13, so it's going to be 130, okay? And our last one we're going to do is 20 times 13. What is that going to be? Well, again, I go back to think what my 2 times 13 is. 26, but now we're talking into the hundreds, 260. So go ahead and do the problems on the next slides, please.